All right, like I said, we're getting to the end of the kind of the hipster area. Nice marble and garden set. Ooh, look at this. So, all right, so this is beef. We'll take the beef down here. This is garden beef. So you get this whole thing here, and let's just call it $1 million. All right, so that's $1 million VND. Now, we're going to say that it's 25,000 VND to the dollar. So that's 4 for every 100,000. So that's $40. And that's actually probably less than that because I'm rounding down. VND is actually like 28,000 VND to the dollar. So let's say that's $35 for all this. You get all of that in this one set. And that's a fancy dinner here. Okay, that's very fancy. But as you can see, this is a very, look at that, Sapporo on tap. Wow. And then this is our lunch set here. Give you an idea of what a, quote, nice restaurant charges, unquote. Okay. And you can get, I mean, if you want lunch for $3, you can get lunch for $3. You're just going to eat at, the traditional Vietnamese restaurant or like, one of the street places. And if you eat a street place, I would suggest that you basically, eat where a lot of people are eating. You know, you don't want to get food poisoning like I did. Don't do it. You know, I mean, I've only ever gotten food poisoning once, and it was here, and it was no fun. I will say that. So this is the big intersection here. Haven't been down there yet. If you take a right, kind of like I said, it gets a little wonky down that way. But there's a nice big pagoda down there, Buddhist center down there. You know what I think we're going to do? I think we're going to end it right here for now. So I'm going to edit all this together that I've shot this morning. Guys, take care. Have a great day. I've got a live coming up tomorrow morning. Hope you'll be there.